Day 18, Polite Conversations and Etiquette Lesson. Welcome to Day 18 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today, we'll learn how to use polite language in different situations. Knowing how to speak politely is important for making a good impression in both formal and casual conversations. Let's master the art of politeness. 1. Common polite phrases. Here are some polite words and phrases you should use in daily conversations. Greetings and starting a conversation. Good morning, afternoon, evening. How are you? How's your day going? It's nice to meet you. Being polite in requests. Could you please? Would you mind? May I? Is it okay if I? Thanking and apologizing. Thank you, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I'm sorry, I apologize. My apologies. No problem. Don't worry about it. Being polite in opinions and suggestions. I think, instead of you should, in my opinion. Perhaps we could. What do you think about? Ending a conversation. Politely. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. See you soon. Second polite conversation examples. Scenario 1. Asking for help. You are at a store and need help finding an item. You. Excuse me, could you help me find the dairy section? Store assistant. Of course, it's in aisle 5. You. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Store assistant. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Key phrases used. Excuse me, to politely get attention. Could you help me? A polite way to ask for assistance. Thank you so much, to show appreciation. Scenario 2. Making a request. You are at a cafe and want to request something politely. You. Excuse me, would it be possible to get my coffee without sugar? Waiter. Of course, I'll bring your order right away. You. Thank you. Waiter. My pleasure. Key phrases used. Excuse me. To sound polite when calling someone. Would it be possible? A polite way to make a request. My pleasure. A polite response to thank you. 3. Making small talk. Politely small talk helps build good relationships. Use these polite topics to start conversations. Weather. It's such a lovely day, isn't it? Work, school. How's your work going? Travel. Have you traveled anywhere recently? Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? Comment below. What's your favorite polite phrase to use in daily life? Practice activity. Excuse me, hey, can you tell me where the restroom is? Can you, please pass me the salt? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Excuse me, sorry for that. Thank you, thanks for your help. Would you mind, help me with my bag? Now you know how to speak politely in different situations. Politeness can make conversations smoother and help you create positive impressions. Practice using these phrases in real life. Comment below with your favorite polite phrase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English lessons.